Hello, welcome to the Marginon Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to self-host AI with NVIDIA NIMs. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. What are the main benefits of self-hosting NVIDIA NIM? Before we get into that, right? The main benefits of self-hosting NVIDIA NIM include, number one, control over data and infrastructure. Self-hosting allows organizations to maintain full control over their AI applications and the data they process, ensuring compliance with security and privacy requirements. Deployment flexibility. NIM can be deployed across various infrastructures, including local workstations, cloud environments, and on-premises data centers. This flexibility enables organizations to run AI models anywhere they choose. Optimized performance. NIM leverages optimized inference engines for each model and hardware setup, providing the best possible latency and throughput on accelerated infrastructure. This reduces the cost of running inference workloads at scale. So seamless integration. NIM containers integrate smoothly with the Kubernetes ecosystem, allowing efficient orchestration and management of containerized AI applications. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. You right now, hit that subscribe button and the like button. And then we have scalability, right? The Kubernetes, whatever you want to call it, integration enables automatic scaling of microservices when traffic increases, ensuring that the system can handle varying workloads. Customization and IP protection. Self-hosting gives developers ownership of their customizations and full control over their intellectual property. Easy switching between hosted and self-hosted options. Organizations can quickly experiment with NVIDIA hosted endpoints for prototyping and then seamlessly switch to self-hosted NIM microservices for production deployment. Access to optimized models. NIM provides access to a wide range of GPU accelerated generative AI models, including both community and proprietary options. So by self-hosting NVIDIA NIM, organizations can leverage powerful AI capabilities while maintaining control over their infrastructure, data, and deployment strategies, making it an attractive option for enterprises with specific performance, security, or compliance requirements. So NVIDIA NIM, right? Inference microservices is a set of accelerated inference microservices that allow organizations to run AI models on NVIDIA GPUs anywhere, including in the cloud, data center, workstations, and PCs. So we are getting into the nitty gritty right now. You feel me? We get into the nitty gritty. Here's how you can self-host NVIDIA NIM. Number one, access NVIDIA API catalog. Start by visiting the NVIDIA API catalog to experiment with GPU accelerated generative AI models. This allows you to prototype and interact with models directly from a web browser. Next, you're going to want to obtain NVIDIA AI Enterprise license to self-host NIM microservices. You'll need to sign up for an NVIDIA AI Enterprise 90-day subscription license. This is required to deploy NIMs on your own infrastructure. Then you're going to want to deploy on your infrastructure, right? Once you have the license, you can deploy NIM microservices on your own infrastructure. This gives you full control over your AI applications and data, right? Kubernetes, whatever you guys want to call it. Kubernetes integration, right? NVIDIA NIM containers seamlessly integrate with the Kubernetes K8's ecosystem, allowing efficient orchestration and management of containerized AI applications. You can use Kubernetes to deploy and manage your self-hosted NIM instances. And then GPU setup. Ensure your infrastructure has NVIDIA GPUs. For example, the tutorial mentioned uses a DGX H100 with 8 H100 GPUs. Install necessary NVIDIA software components such as the GPU operator to enable GPU utilization in Kubernetes. Configure NIM endpoints, right? Once deployed, you'll need to configure your applications to use the self-hosted NIM endpoints. For example, in a haystack RAG pipeline, RAG pipeline, you would replace the API URLs with your self-hosted NIM URL. So monitor and scale. Use Kubernetes tools to monitor the performance of your self-hosted NIMs and scale them as needed. So by self-hosting NVIDIA NIM, you gain several advantages. you get to control you get control over your data and AI applications. You have the ability to deploy AI models anywhere in your infrastructure, flexibility to switch between hosted and self-hosted options, optimize performance on NVIDIA GPUs, integration with existing Kubernetes ecosystem. So self-hosting NVIDIA NIM allows organizations to leverage powerful AI capabilities while maintaining control over their infrastructure and data, making it an attractive option for enterprises with specific security or performance requirements. So how does NVIDIA NIM handle data privacy and compliance? Because you self-hosting now, let's see how they do, right? So the NVIDIA NIM offers several features to help handle data privacy and compliance when deploying AI models. You have the self-hosting option, which is organizations can self-host NIM microservices on their own infrastructure, giving them full control over their data and AI applications. Now, this allows companies to keep sensitive data within their own secure environments. You have deployment flexibility, right? NIM can be deployed across various infrastructures, including on-premises data centers, private clouds, and sovereign clouds. This flexibility enables organizations to meet specific data residency and compliance requirements. Then you have the integration with private cloud solutions, right? NIM integrates with solutions like Trend Micro's Vision One Sovereign and Private Cloud (SPC), which is designed for security-conscious businesses and government customers. This allows organizations to leverage AI while addressing privacy, sovereignty, and regulatory compliance concerns. And then you have control over intellectual property, right? Self-hosting NIM gives developers ownership of their customizations and full control over their intellectual property, which is crucial for protecting proprietary AI models and algorithms. And then seamlessly switching between hosted and self-hosted options, right? Organizations can quickly experiment with NVIDIA hosted endpoints for prototyping and then seamlessly switch to self-hosted NIM microservices for production deployment. This allows for easy transition from deployment to compliant production environment. And then you have the compliance with industry standards, right? NVIDIA is really good at this. So NVIDIA NIM is part of the NVIDIA AI Enterprise, which is designed to meet rigorous industry standards for data quality, security, privacy, and regulatory compliance. And then you have the secure execution environments, right? While not specific to NIM, NVIDIA offers confidential computing capabilities on their H100 GPUs, which can be used in conjunction with NIM to provide additional security for sensitive data and AI models during processing. So by offering these features, NVIDIA NIM enables organizations to leverage powerful AI capabilities while maintaining control over their data, meeting compliance requirements, and protecting their intellectual property, right? So this makes it particularly suitable for industries with strict data privacy regulations or those handling sensitive information. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you in the next video.